Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Galactic Armory. I know I haven't been as active on YouTube for a while, but I wanted to show you guys exactly why, what I've been up to, and kind of what the unit looks like now. So, let's go ahead and get into it. So, I've still got a lot of in-progress projects. There's an ARF, Realistic Rex, and that ARC Trooper that I've been meaning to work on, but just haven't had time lately. We've got 6 printers to set up today, so that'll be fun. Been doing a lot of kind of expanding on the unit itself. Did some electrical upgrades, got some air conditioning, which really helps. And so 1, I should be able to add a lot more printers so that orders can get out faster. And 2, it should be a lot more comfortable in here, not the like sweltering high 90s that it gets in here sometimes. And with 50% humidity, it feels awful. But I figured I'd give you a walk around, show you a bit of the place, how it looks now. So we've got the regular rows of printers here. You've probably seen them in a few videos. I think it's like 54 printers. So that's what was already there. But now I'm going to be adding another row of 36 printers right here. We've got the shelving for them. Just waiting on some long power strips so that we can run from that wall all the way over here, because each block of 6 printers needs its own 20 amp circuit, otherwise it'll trip it. Here's the big air conditioner we got. Keeps the place at a comfortable, not comfortable, but tolerable 77 degrees. That's really helpful because at the peak of summer, like I said, it got up to the high 90s in here with 50% humidity. It just wreaked havoc on the printers. All that I had to cool the place down was opening that big garage bay door. And the printers, they clogged a lot. Had a lot of print issues that took a lot of fixing, and it was just exhausting. But now with the temperature control, it has had a huge difference on the printers so far. A lot less clogs, and the print quality is a lot more consistent. Haven't had to restart or recycle as many prints yet. But yeah, I have 4 3-unit shelves for printers right here so far. That should hold 12 additional printers. So I've got to come up with names for all of them, so if you guys have any good name ideas, be sure and let me know in the comments. I am running out of ideas for those. Here's a couple more in-progress projects. That Imperial Crosshair I'd need to just figure out what to do with, but got a couple casts, an Airborne DC-15 LE, and a couple other blasters that I want to work on when I have time, but who knows when that's going to be. If we look down here, you can see a little animated ARC Trooper Echo. That one's probably 95% done. I'm just working on the extras right now and a little bit of weathering that still needs to happen. But that one's close, and that one's going to be the next video. But as you guys can imagine, it takes a lot of work to run all of these currently 54 printers plus the 12 that we'll have there. And I want to keep adding more shelving here to just make a complete row of 36 more printers. But it takes a lot of work to keep them all running and full and swapping prints and making sure they're all still operational. But I think we're getting in kind of a groove. I have some full-time help now that helps me run all these things, and that's been a huge help. So I'm working as much as I can. You guys will get your videos in the future. There's a lot of cool designs, especially with that ARF over there that I want to do. But until then, thank you all for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video.